Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will unbox and review the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock. When you open the box, you'll get a drill template, user manual, user guide, interior assembly, exterior assembly, bridge, backup key, different screws, reset needle, screwdriver, batteries, strike, and bolt. We'll start by discussing the basic design and installation, then we'll move on to how the lock works and how it connects to your devices. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock and Bridge is a two-part unit consisting of a lock and a wireless bridge. The lock's profile is square, not rectangular like some deadbolts. It's also a bolt only, not a bolt and knob combo. This means it's designed to be installed in the top hole of a two-hole door. It will install in most thicknesses. The front of the lock has a protruding cylinder. This cylinder, as well as the front plate, are nickel on the nickel version, and black on both other versions. The front of the cylinder functions as a fingerprint reader. The lock cylinder is surrounded by a ring of rubber buttons, from 1 through 0. These are used for entering your combination for keypad entry. The bottom button is used for pairing with the bridge, and for reconnecting if there are any errors. Inside your home, the lock is a simple black or satin nickel deadbolt. It's rectangular and unassuming, with a low-profile latch. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro offers broad smart home compatibility, working seamlessly with both Google Assistant and Alexa. It also works with If This Then That, IFT, a multi-platform service that allows you to create advanced programs. For instance, you can program the door to automatically lock when your compatible front door security camera senses motion or sees a person. Another unique feature, the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro has a micro USB charging port. This allows you to run the lock from an external power source in the event that it runs out of battery. This works great in a pinch if the battery runs out when you've left the house without the physical key. The U-Bolt is IP65 rated for water and dust resistance. Most people are going to lock and unlock their door with the fingerprint reader. You can program multiple sets of prints, and can add and delete them as needed. Similarly, the U-Bolt can be programmed to automatically lock and unlock when your phone is nearby. The most method of opening the U-Bolt is to use a passcode. Your code can be up to 6 digits long to make it harder to guess. You can also set temporary passcodes via the smartphone app. You can set a defined duration through the calendar feature to customize each code. If your cleaner comes every Tuesday, you can set her code to only work on Tuesdays. If you have a contractor for the next 2 weeks, you can set the code to expire after that time period. The Wi-Fi bridge plugs into your power outlet. Plug it in anywhere near the door, and follow the instructions to complete setup. From there, you'll be able to install the smartphone app and control your lock from anywhere. With the lock finally installed properly, I was ready to begin working with the app. Inside the app, everything is fairly intuitive and for the most part right where it should be. Tap the big button on the main screen to lock or unlock the deadbolt. Red means it's locked, green means it's open. The 360 degrees live fingerprint identification simplifies it even further. You just need to press your finger against the circular center on the keypad and the device will use the finger impression to instantly unlock the door. Likewise, you can choose to enter a passcode to unlock the deadbolt, allowing you to add random digits before and after the passcode to protect it from prying eyes. You'll love this feature if you host people through Airbnb and often need to enter the code to let people in. To help you in emergency overrides such as malfunctioning, the device does come with a mechanical key as a backup entry option. Instead of pressing the big red button to unlock the door, you can simply twist your smartphone to unlock the mechanism. This automatic unlock feature is referred to as the magic shake. In summary, if you're looking for a versatile smart lock that offers alternative ways to unlock your front door, Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro makes an excellent choice. Not only does it offer the convenience of entry, but it also ensures maximum security, as no one can guess the code you just entered, nor can anyone get past the entry points without you getting a smartphone notification. Besides, it makes a good addition to the myriad of smart devices controlled via smart home technology or applications. The bottom line is that you won't regret your decision after buying the device.